Hey, just doing a quick walk around. One last walk around on the bike before it sells. It's on eBay right now with 2 days left. Beautiful day here in Houston, 70 degrees, so took advantage of it, dusted the old girl off. It's been sitting in the garage. And yeah, I just want to do a quick walk around and maybe show you something that you guys may have missed with the last video. Get your bids in, 2 days left. So again, the bike is completely fully restored, 1985 atc250r. Motor, wheels, everything. OEM tank, OEM shrouds, all polished up. Motor looks like glass. Everything. Nut and bolt restoration. Real proud of the way this one came out. Very pretty. All the wheels have been taken down, all the aluminum polished. By taken down, I mean I had the OEM date coated wheels etched, and then I polished them and then took them back in to get the correct gold on them, and they turned out very pretty. All your nut and bolts are all brand new everywhere. Also, if anybody wants it that wins the bike, I do have the OEM tires. They hold air, but I would not ride on them. These things are incredibly fast. At this point, those tires are 40 years old, but I do have the OEM tires to make the thing look incredibly correct. Here's your OEM toolbox. These suckers are always hard to open. And then you have your full set of OEM tools in here from 85. Tools are pretty nice. Did have a little surface rust on them, as you can expect, and I just got those all off with wire brush. All your rubbers, everything is brand new. Everything brand new. Brakes completely gone through. New pads, everything restored on the bike. Just give you a good walk around here so you can know what you're buying. And then I'll start that sucker up here in a little bit. Here's your exhaust, completely restored. No dents. And we're on the shade side of the sun, obviously. All your hoses, this is a reproduction brake hose, that's correct, all new. All of your cables are brand new to your parking brake and clutch and throttle. OEM throttle has been redone along with everything else. Handles, powder coated OEM handles. A few tiny marks right there. Did upgrade the carburetor to a 35 millimeter from the 34 that it came with stock, but it is a Japanese can from 223 cycles. And there's a few upgrades here and there. Put a billet exhaust flange on it, of course. I'll always go with the new exhaust flange, but I think that's pretty acceptable. Even your sprocket is correct for the 85 only. Your bearings are brand new inside your swing arm. All of this is brand new through here. Brake stay and all of that good stuff. All freshly zinced. Little dust on this thing, man. Like I said, I kind of bring it out here to dust it off, see it in the sun. But yeah, all new stuff. Beautiful. That's it. I just want to do a short video. Maybe you missed some stuff if you're bidding that you didn't see to begin with. I'll go ahead and start it up. It does have obviously the OEM exhaust, but this one does have the OEM baffle in it, which is super cool. So you got that stock sound. See if I can start this with holding the phone. Pretty cold right now, or I'd do a good rev up for you. That's first kick in probably a month since it's kind of just been sitting in the garage. Give it a little bit to warm up. Give it a half rev maybe. It runs pretty cool. Like I said, everything's new on it. New water pump in the motor, all that good stuff. Been bored, honed. New Honda seals in the bottom end, all that good stuff. New bearings. It wraps hard and fast, man. So, but that's okay. All your brakes are new too, so it's gonna stop. That's all. Thanks for looking, and I appreciate your bids if you're going in and bidding, and I hope it finds a good home.